Maybe you've had work done on your place and you're left with something like this gap right here. And a lot of carpenters will leave a job site like this. And, you know, it's not really their fault. I mean, they're dealing with a lot of issues in their own way and trying to figure it out. And sometimes it's on the painter or the do-it-yourselfer to fix what the carpenter or other trades guys messed up. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. And all we need is some caulking here. And we're going to run a bead of caulking. Okay, don't worry if it's a little messy because we're going to use our finger and a damp rag to fix it. So here we go. It is a little messy. We're going to use our finger and we're going to drive the caulking into that little space, into that cavity, the crack there between the little faceplate and the framing there. Okay, so then we take our damp rag and we wipe off the excess. And look at that. It's already looking better. But what's going to happen is this is a bit of a deep cavity. So it's going to dry and then it's going to shrink. So in about a half hour, 40 minutes, it's going to dry, and let's run another bead here and let's repeat the process. Repeat the process like we just did. Run the bead, run your finger, and then take a rag and clean up all the excess. But after that, we're not done because caulking will turn yellow and it'll look faded and it won't match. So you have to paint caulking actually. A lot of people don't know this. It looks good in the short term, but you have to paint it. So then we're going to get out our trusty trim paint, the paint that matches the framing here, and we're just going to blend it in. We've already done the work on the frame, and all it takes is just a little bit of blending. You may have to do 2 coats. A lot of times you can get rid of 1. And what we're doing is we're just painting. We're painting that caulk line just like that. And the painting of it will make sure that it never fades and it looks seamless. And that's really it. And let's just see the difference here. We're going to see the difference short, blend it in, and let's take a look. No more gap. And that just looks way better. And you're going to be happier as a homeowner, even with your sporty wallpaper or whatever you have going on in the rest of your house. But here in your reno, you're going to be a lot happier. Okay, so the one on the right is before, the one on the left is after. Look at that gap there on the right. Doesn't look very good, does it? And then here on the left, we have seamless perfection. Really, I mean, it looks really, really nice.